Hi guys, today is the 2nd of November and we're gonna have the forecast from the 3rd till the 8th. So we start as usual with the dollar index. So the dollar index is coming down as we expected. It did have a little bit of going up then come down. So what we do expect, maybe it will get another one move up, then it's gonna crash all the way to the to this strong support level. Then we do actually expect a little bit of correction, then even further down. Okay. So this is the dollar index in the daily. You can see has been going up and down the same level, between like 90, 95, 50 to like 99 area, about those 400 pips up and down for forever. Okay, so we do expect to come down. Watch out, the Feds have cut rates for 3 times, and every time they said, this could be like a mid-cycle adjustment and stuff like that. If you remember, if you've been following with me for a long time, with the first rate cut, I have said they have to cut 3 times. Okay, if you remember this about 6 months ago, I have said they have to drop rate between 1.5 to 1.75. So they should be about neutral now. That neutral, in my opinion, for the Feds. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the second one. Euro. So last week we said the euro may get a little bit up before it come down. Actually, in this case also we can have one more candle up in the euro index. Okay, so the euro may have a little bit of strength this next week at the beginning, then later on should crash, go up a little bit more, then come down. Pound did not move at all last week. Okay, so what we do expect this coming week? Watch out, has been sustained above the trend line. So we may get a fake break to the downside, then shooting up again to the upside. Okay, so you want to take the buy signal. If you want to take any sell signal with sell setup, take it in a small time frame with a stop loss, because the pound still has the potential to go up. Franc is in a correction phase now, is going up. It may go a little bit more up then come down. Japanese yen, you can see the index is going up a little bit. It may go a little bit more up then start coming down. So this means this is the opposite of the Japanese yen strength. The Japanese yen index is opposite here. Okay, so if this going up, it means the Japanese yen strength index is going down. This is the opposite of the index. So when it's coming down, it means the pairs are coming, like USD JPY coming down, not going up. CAD, we have talked about last week. CAD that has reached a very strong resistance area in the weekly. This 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 6 times retest in this area. So we have said last week CAD is just about to do a major correction or reverse, and it did with the bank statement. Also oil was coming down at the beginning of the week. So you can see that it did reverse a lot. We talked about EuroCAD signal in a small video, and it was really good. It shoot up like 250 bips or so. So what we do expect is CAD, it may come a little bit more down. It may not reach all the way down here, but at least it should come down here to this level. So for the next week, we should see the CAD continue to come down. Australian index has not really been moving a lot for a while. If you make a box in this area, you're gonna find this has been here forever. In this location has been here forever, up and down, up and down. I think it's just about to start breaking. You can see in the MACD, this bottom one and that one and this one. So this is like a head and shoulder. This is a head and one shoulder and one shoulder. So I think this one's just about to break in the Australian index, and the Australian dollar is gonna get strong. New Zealand, it may move a little bit more sideways. It may not pick up now. Later on, it will pick up, but may not now. So it will not be moving a lot. DAX has reached a very strong resistance level around the 13,000. It may go a little bit more, but I doubt it will reach the 13,500 and break this one. This one has been very strong, like one time here it did break, one time here couldn't make it, some correction here. So I think we're gonna see some correction, strong correction or a reverse from this level. Psychological part here. The Dow has been going up, not very strong, but going up. Now at the 27,300 level, and the Dow with the 27,400 has been very, very strong resistance. So if the 27,400 is broken, then probably we're going to the 30,000. If we see a reverse from this area, then probably we're gonna go to the 60,500 again, and that's the most expected scenario. We get a drop from this area unless we get a good news from USA China trade deal and stuff, then it's gonna break to the upside. But most likely we're gonna see a big correction in this area right here with a trend with a stop loss like that, because this, if you sell here and it go up, it may go up 3,000 point, and then you will be in a bad situation. So just make sure you have a stop loss and trade safe in this stuff. Gold, as we expected, gold is going to 1700, is going in the way. So it did come a little bit tiny down last week, not much. Then here we did buy at 1481 actually in our VIP channel. Also we have multiple buys here. We did really well in gold. Now we have one buy open from 1508 area here. You can see when you see something like this, like that one here, price did not really move, but it has been sustained above the trend line. You see that? So that was a really good buy. So this area was a really good entry to buy here. So we did buy this one, and we're looking for like 1537 area target or so, okay? Especially if the dollar index is gonna continue to go down. However, you may get something like this again, another one down, maybe and maybe not, before it does go up, okay? So either way, we're gonna only buy gold, we're not gonna sell gold. Did really well in our VIP channel also on the US crude oil, the BTI. You can see has been going up and down like against the trend line. It did break the trend line here, that's why it did go up. So what we do expect, maybe it will reach like 5750 level, another 150 bips, then it should come back to 58 level, okay? So it should hang down a little bit here. So we'll be looking to sell at 57, okay? If you did buy here, good. If you didn't, then just wait and sell at the 57. It was a sell signal for sure. Franc yen, because the franc it bounced back up, and the yen also is getting like weak. That's why the franc yen did bounce here. Because the bad news from USA China trade deal is not going really well. So that's why franc yen did go up. Okay. But for the long term, we do expect this to come down, to go up. This is coming down to 105. Okay, remember now it's almost 110. If you do have patience, then this is gonna come down to 105. USD Japanese yen. This is a really good sell, guys. Very good sell. We have sold 109.15 just right here in this area. When the price did shoot up, that was a really good opportunity to sell, and we have sold here. Okay, we have another sell from this area. Actually have multiple sells here. So what you guys do, I want you to know this is for sure coming down sooner or later to 105. Okay, remember that. I have said that many times before. So this is coming down to 105. So this is a really good opportunity, and this is gonna be a fast crash. So USD JPY just crash like that, maybe just come back to the line like this, then crash again. The only thing is gonna make it neutral is USA China trade deal, good news. Okay, otherwise this is gonna just come down. If the stock market is crashing, this is gonna go really fast down with it. Okay, so USD JPY is really affected by the American stocks, by the Dow Jones and stuff. If you look at the USD CHF, has been coming down as we expected. We expect further down, maybe to the 97.50 area, then should get a bounce from there. Okay, you should get some bounce. Of course, it's gonna go maybe one day sideways, then come down, then bounce back up like that. Pound dollar, we do expect the pound to come down first a little bit, then go back up. So maybe if you want to trade the sell signal, if it happens, then take it with a small lot size, a small time frame, stop loss and stuff like that, then go with it. When you get a reverse around the 1.28 area, 1.2850, 1.28, like 150 bips down, if you see a reversal from this area, then you take the buy. USD CAD, it should continue going down to 1.3 area easily, okay, before you can see kind of neutral area here, or transition period here. Australian should continue going up. Did go up from the 66 area to the 68.7. That was about 200 bips, really good. So if it comes down 50 bips, you can buy it. I think this is gonna go to 70. 70-50 area, 71. Euro bound, you can see this supply and demand system. This could go a little bit tiny up, like 100 bips or so, then continue going down. Okay, so watch out for this one. It still has the potential to go to the 83 level. Okay. Euro Australian, this will be a sell, would not be a buy, but there is a potential to go 100 bips up. So buying, selling at 1.6250. I think this will be a good sell at 1.6250. Euro Japanese yen, I think this will be a good sell either way, because the euro sooner or later is gonna come down. So this at 120, at 121. If you can wait like 121.50, 50 bips, you can see it coming down. You can sell another 50 from a higher place would be good. But I think for the longer term, this is coming down. Okay. So this euro yen should be coming down here. You can see this signal, and our APCO system was really good. You take the sell from here like that, you keep going down with it till you can see it coming back to this area. You can probably close. Bound franc is the same thing. So if the bound does come down first, then it's reverse, and this will be a good opportunity to buy. Canadian yen, we have talked about this last week. We have said this is a good sell, guys, and that was really good. So what do you expect? Just wait, I have one picture here, I'll show you guys. You can see this Canadian Japanese yen VIB signal. So we were here at the top, and we have said this CAD Japanese yen has potential to fall 200 pips. It did fall really good, so that was really good signal in our VIB channel. So we continue to our analysis. So what we do expect is a little bit tiny more up, maybe, then another fall to the 80, 50 level. So still another 100, 130 pips down should fall. Watch out here in this area. This indicator advanced ultra reverse is really cool, because as long it was here, it means this is like overbought. Then when it did come down all the way and it did come fast, you reach this level, it told you this is kind of oversold. That's why you get this candle as correction. You may get one more as a correction, then it should continue going down. It's like the RSI, guys, but that's pretty cool. It's different. It's a little bit different. It's pretty cool. Okay. So bound yen, the same scenario. It has been holding this area right here forever. Never moved. Never broke anything in this one here. Didn't really move for the last week. So what we do expect is maybe a little come to the bottom of this and shoot up, or actually come 200 pips down, then go up. So either way, we'll be looking for the buy in this one, not the sell. EuroCAD, it did go up as we expected last week. That was really good. So guys, we have talked about this and made a special video about this. 250 pips exactly. So what we do expect, maybe a little bit tiny up again. You can see how fast this did go. It was really, really fast. So another one up here, then it's gonna come down. This is not a good buy area. You should wait the sell. New Zealand Japanese yen, this may continue a little tiny bit up, okay, like 50 bips up or so, then come down. It should come down. Bound New Zealand is the same as the bound, so has been sustained above the uptrend line. So maybe 200 bips down, then going up. So we get back to our dollar index, and that was the end of our analysis this week. I hope if you guys do like this one, hit the like button. If you do have any comment, please let us know. We have a VIB channel. If you guys want to join, just text us. We're gonna leave the Telegram link at the end. Okay, thanks. Goodbye.